Ready? Do you want some of this? See if you want. Do you want some do you want some applesauce? Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Is that good, Sam? That's good, Sammy.
Oh, sweetie. Do you want some more?
Do you love applesauce? It's your favorite? It's your favorite, buddy? Oh.
Would you like some more? You are a funny eater. Oops. You gotta keep it in if you want it. Is your tongue still pushing it out? You get some in. Sammy, over here. Would you like some more? Would you like some more? Are you all done? Are you all done with the applesauce? Would you like some more? Do you want to do it yourself? Alright, let's not get it all over your shirt. Ready? You gotta keep it in, sweetie. How come some days you eat it and some days your tongue pushes?
I think his middle finger was stuck up at you.
Stop making me laugh. Oh. See, sometimes his tongue still pushes it out. It's too early.
Are you handsome? Are you handsome?
Oh, that's gonna be nice for Mommy to clean up.
Yummy. Yummy.
I'm gonna have to start giving you your bath later. Wait until you eat green beans and squash. That's gonna be so messy. Are you just showing off now to the camera? Are you just showing off? Say hi to Daddy. Would you like some more? Yeah. Can you swallow it? All done? Would you like your bottle? That one he swallowed. That was good, huh? You actually got some down. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Is that what you're doing? Would you like some more? He knew what that meant. Oh, you're so messy right now. Samuel, are you all done? Is it fun playing in the applesauce? Let's Daddy do it. Tell everybody at home. Tell them. Yes. Yes, you're kind of funny. You're kind of funny. Would you like some more? Is Daddy distracting you? Would you like some more? Phoebe, where's your toy? Get your toy. She looks like she's going to be sick. Phoebe, where's your toy? Come get your toy. Phoebe, come. Come here. Phoebe, come. Is she limping? Phoebe, come. Come here. Come over here.